Hi, this is Chris from HITI Software. In this tutorial we are going to see how to connect your Emotiv headset to HITIBrain. First, start by creating a new project. A new project opens and displays the home page. This page is here to help you and describes the main steps to follow when you start a new project. It also displays a link to other video tutorials. But before going on, let's save our project and name it My Project. Now, to connect our headset, we will use the Emotiv toolbar here. The first thing to check is that this indicator here is green. If it is red or orange, then communication with Emotiv headset will not be possible. In this case, you will need to check that Emotiv software are correctly installed on your computer. Next, you will need to log into your Emotiv account. To do that, open the Emotiv launcher and use it to log into your account. Once logged, accept the Emotiv EULA if you haven't done it already. Then HITIBrain will request your approval to get access to your EEG headset data. So to give your approval, go back to the Emotiv launcher and give your approval. This has to be done only once. Now you can close the Emotiv launcher and you can see that you are correctly logged in. Now you can turn on your EEG headset and put it on your head and connect it to your computer. Then select it from the drop-down list here and check the battery level and signal power are correctly refreshed here. If you have a training profile, select it to load your training parameters to your headset. Once done, open the Emotiv headset panel. From this panel you can see the sensor's contact quality to help you correctly mount your headset on your head. For that purpose, the overall contact quality is also displayed in the Emotiv toolbar. On the right side of the panel you can see at a glance which manual command and facial expressions are active and see their relative power. This concludes this tutorial about the connection of Emotiv headsets to HITIBrain.